Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Betmgm. Once you press enter, you will get this kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll have to select your location. So from this list, select your location. And once you have done so, it will take you to its home page. Now once you're on this home page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this sign up button. And if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. Once you have done so, click on this login button. And in case we have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you click on the login button, you will be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, click on this deposit button at the top right corner, and then you will have to provide your bank details and also enter the amount that you want to deposit. Once you have done so, click on the deposit button and they will try to verify your identity. And once you have been verified, the amount will be deposited into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.